This is Safe-HCL, the biologically and environmentally safe hydrochloric acid. When we say it's biologically safe, that means you can literally immerse your bare hands into Safe-HCL and not cause damage to your skin. And unlike regular hydrochloric or muriatic acid, Safe-HCL does not require all of the safety gear like goggles, acid-resistant gloves, or respirators during use. Safe-HCL is fully biodegradable, non-toxic, low-fuming, and is not destructive to human skin, eyes, lungs, or sinuses. To clean shells in Safe-HCL, place our acid in an open mouth glass or plastic container. You can use Safe-HCL straight or diluted with water, 1:1 or 2 parts water and 1 part acid. Make a second container of half a small box of baking soda to 2 to 3 quarts of water to neutralize the acid. Take a pair of tongs and dunk the shell into the acid solution for 3 to 5 seconds. The length of the dunk depends on how contaminated the shell may be, so experiment. You'll know the acid is working when it's foaming. Shake the foam off the shell and then neutralize the acid by dunking the shell into the water and baking soda container. Set the shell aside to air dry. Now let's make some magic.